Hi everyone, it's me Lizzie and I'm back with another video. This is a clean slash decorate with me video. Sorry I didn't have an intro. I was planning to combine this with my haul video but decided it was going to be too long, so I didn't. Right now you're just seeing me clean my fireplace, especially the inside, because for some reason there's water leaking through, a little bit of water but still enough to concern me. It's been raining a lot here in Florida, so I'm not sure what's going on. So I'm going to use this cute little pumpkin garland that I found at Home Goods, and I'm just going to hang it on my mantle. I put in little nails. Didn't want to do that since this is like an antique mantle, but it's fine. It worked out. I've never decorated a mantle before, so honestly don't know what I'm doing, and that's pretty much what I was saying there. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. So I kind of just started stacking things together and mixing and matching different themes and adding height with these candle holders. I don't know what I was doing. This is the first time I'm doing this. But anyways, you kind of see that things start to come together towards the end, at least here in the mantle. Everywhere in the house, you know, you can tell that I'm a beginner at this. I also quickly want to let you guys know that the lighting might be off in this video, and so is the video quality, only because for some reason when I decided to record this, my ring light and my lighting isn't working, and my camera battery died and I lost the battery and the battery charger. I have no idea where it went, but recently I bought a new ring light and I bought more batteries and a charger, so my next upcoming videos are gonna look a little more put together than this, but you know, I'm trying. I don't think I mentioned this in the haul video, but this pumpkin that you see me placing in the center of my mantle, I actually got that pumpkin at Joann's for, I believe, $19.99, but I got it with a 40% sale that they were having. And it's really nice. It has like this sweater detailing on it. I never gave you like a close-up look, but yeah, if you're wondering, it's from Joann's. Isn't this the cutest candy dish? I love it. Anyways, in this part, this is when the video starts getting super random. I started running out of like Halloween things. I don't have that much, and I just started kind of playing around with what I had, and it kind of became just Halloween themed instead of having an actual like theme, like, you know, ghosts or vampire or something. It's just Halloween from here on now. Hope you guys liked my clean slash decorate with me. Like, the back of me made sense. other places of the house are more random. Like I didn't have an idea what I was gonna do. I just had a whole bunch of random Halloween kind of pieces, and I wanted to use them all, so I pretty much used them all. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys are happy for spooky season because it's here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.